We're installing this super fast outdoor Wi-Fi 6 access point today in an RV park. Let's get to it. So this RV park has over a dozen access points in it, so we're going to be upgrading some of the old AP17 units to the new AP27 units by HPE Instant-On. So outside of the size difference between the Wi-Fi 5 AP17 unit and the Wi-Fi 6 AP27 unit, the new AP27 has an entire metal back frame and mounting point instead of the plastic assembly like the AP17 does. So this feels a whole lot more rigid than the AP17 does. So with that being said, the mounting hardware for the AP27 and the mounting plate is also metal, which I really like. It makes it feel really robust. So then we basically just take the access point, slide it down, and unlike the AP17 version, the AP27 has two quarter 20 screws that you have to tighten down to secure it onto that metal mount. That ain't going anywhere. I'm going to show you guys literally how easy the Instant-On access points are to set up. So literally, we've already got this plugged into a PoE switch. Literally, all we're going to do is plug it up, screw in the little cable grommet here to keep the water out of the connector, tighten it down some, and here in just a couple minutes, we're literally going to be ready to set this thing up. All right, so we're going to add this access point to our Instant-On portal. So literally, we're just going to click search for devices. It's already found it, and we're just going to click add. And then it's going to sit here. It's going to work on synchronizing and updating that access point. And here in about 5 minutes, it's ready to go. That's literally it. Like, it's literally instant on. 5 minutes and you're up and running. What I just did there is literally all I had to do to get that added to our site. All right, so we're going to run a quick speed test here. This is without any optimization so far. Literally just added it into the portal. 22 millisecond ping. And this is on Comcast, so this is pretty average. And we're going to see that climb. It jumped up to 600 a minute ago, but do keep in mind there's about 100 users on the network right now. Yeah, there we go. So the main takeaways here is that the HPE Instant-On gear is just absolutely the simplest to set up out of any professional grade equipment that we've ever worked with. This stuff is great to work with. It's super fast and troubleshooting is a breeze with alerts and everything within your Instant-On portal. There's just nothing else like it. If you guys want to learn more about the HPE Instant-On equipment, visit the link in our bio. We've got links to all the products we've used lately from them. Go check them out. You will not be disappointed.